If you want to buy the best lasagna pan, then you're in the right place. Out of all the different lasagna pans on the market, I've narrowed down the best options to a top 5 list. Let's see which products made the cut. Links to each of the best lasagna pans are in the description box below. The number 5 product on my list of lasagna pan reviews is the Cera Bakeware rectangular roasting pan, which I rate as the best glass lasagna pan. The Cera Bakeware rectangular roasting pan is a versatile glass option for your lasagna making needs. Its transparent design allows you to monitor your dish as it bakes, ensuring perfect layering and even cooking. This pan's generous size accommodates large family meals or party-sized lasagnas. The high size prevents overflow, keeping your oven clean and your lasagna layers intact. The ceramic-coated glass construction offers excellent heat distribution, resulting in evenly cooked pasta and perfectly melted cheese. You'll appreciate the consistent results every time you use it. The non-porous surface doesn't absorb flavors or odors, so your lasagna tastes just as you intended. It's also resistant to staining, maintaining its clarity even after multiple uses. Cleanup is a breeze with this pan because its smooth ceramic-coated glass surface releases food easily, and it's dishwasher safe for added convenience. Unlike with other glass options, you won't need to grease this glass lasagna pan because it's truly non-stick by nature. You can take this pan straight from the oven to the table, thanks to its attractive appearance. It doubles as a serving dish, saving you time and reducing cleanup. The pan is oven, microwave, and freezer safe, allowing you to prep, cook, and store your lasagna all in one container. This versatility makes it a valuable addition to your kitchen. With proper care, this glass lasagna pan can last for years, making it a worthwhile investment for your cookware collection. If you're looking for a versatile stainless steel pan that can handle more than just lasagna, then the Cristel USA Roaster might be your new kitchen MVP. This roasting and baking powerhouse is crafted from mirror-finished 18-10 stainless steel, giving you a durable and stylish cooking surface. Its 3-layer thermodiffuser base ensures even heat distribution, so no more hot spots ruining your culinary creations. You'll love how the roaster effortlessly transitions from stovetop to oven. It can withstand temperatures up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for searing and roasting meats or baking delicious veggie side dishes. The oversized handles are a thoughtful touch, making it easy to maneuver the pan even with oven mitts on. Safety first, right? While it's not the cheapest option on the market, the sheer quality makes it a great choice for anyone seeking a lasagna pan that will serve them well for years and decades to come. Cleaning up is straightforward too. The stainless steel surface is easy to clean and is dishwasher safe. Less time scrubbing means more time enjoying your meal. Whether you're roasting a chicken, baking a lasagna for a family, or whipping up a quick veggie medley, the Cristel USA Roaster has got you covered. It's a versatile addition to your cookware collection that you'll find yourself reaching for time and time again. The HexClad hybrid roasting pan with rack really is the best non-stick lasagna pan that you can buy right now because it boasts a unique hybrid surface that combines stainless steel and non-stick properties. You'll love how evenly it cooks your lasagna thanks to its innovative design. The hybrid surface ensures your cheesy layers won't stick, making serving and cleanup a breeze. But wait, there's more. This pan isn't just for lasagna. The included V-rack is perfect for roasting chicken, duck, or even a small turkey. Unlike alternatives, it promotes proper air circulation, giving you crispy skin and juicy meat, and if you're worried about durability, don't be. This pan is metal utensil safe and can withstand oven temperatures up to a scorching 900 degrees Fahrenheit. You can even pop it in the dishwasher for easy cleaning. Size-wise, HexClad offers options. The smaller 10-inch by 16-inch pan is ideal for intimate dinners, while the larger size can handle family feasts. Remember, this pan is an investment. It's pricier than some alternatives, but many users find the quality and versatility worth it. And trust me, your lasagna and roasts will thank you. Now for the runner-up on my best lasagna baking pan list. I really think the Alva Nori roasting pan is the best cast iron lasagna pan on the market. This cast iron beauty is designed to make your lasagna making experience a breeze because its rectangular shape is ideal for layering those pasta sheets, ensuring you get even well-cooked layers throughout. Its 12-inch by 8-inch size strikes a great balance, big enough for family dinners, yet not too unwieldy for your oven. Cast iron is known for its excellent heat retention and distribution, and the Alva Nori is no exception. You'll find your lasagna cooks evenly from edge to edge with no cold spots in sight, making it taste so much better. The material also allows for versatility. You can use this pan for roasting veggies or baking other dishes too. One standout feature is the pan's non-toxic coating. It's free from PFAS, lead, and cadmium, so you can cook with peace of mind. The enamel finish not only looks sleek, but also makes cleaning up a lot easier. Durability is another strong point with this top-rated lasagna pan. This pan can handle high temperatures and is suitable for all cooktops, including induction. Thanks to its natural durability, it's the kind of cookware that could become a family heirloom. Remember, cast iron can be heavy, but the trade-off is a sturdy, long-lasting pan that'll serve you well for years to come. Whether you're a lasagna enthusiast or just starting out, this Alva Nori roasting pan could be a game changer in your kitchen arsenal. So, what is the best lasagna pan that money can buy? Out of all the options, I'd have to say that the Xtrema rectangular baking dish is the best pan for lasagna available. Honestly, if you're looking for the perfect lasagna pan, then the Xtrema rectangular baking dish is just what you need. This 100% ceramic pan comes in 3 sizes, 2 quart, 4 quart, and 6 quart. So you can choose the one that fits your cooking needs best. Ceramic is an excellent material for baking lasagna. It heats evenly and retains heat well, ensuring your lasagna cooks thoroughly and stays warm longer. Plus, you won't have to worry about any harmful chemicals leaching into your food when you choose Xtrema. The Xtrema dish is versatile too. You can use it for more than just lasagna. It's great for cakes, casseroles, and other baked dishes. Its sleek design means it can go straight from the oven to your table, making for an impressive presentation. Cleaning up is a breeze with this dish. It's dishwasher safe, but hand washing is also easy thanks to its smooth surface. And don't worry about scratches, ceramic is naturally resistant to them. One of the best features of the Xtrema rectangular baking dish is its durability. It comes with a 10-year limited warranty, so you can feel confident in your investment. Remember, this dish is handcrafted by skilled artisans, giving each piece a unique touch. It's not just a pan, it's a work of art that you'll enjoy using for years to come. It really is the best ceramic lasagna pan that you can buy right now. Okay, so there you have it, guys. My carefully curated list of the best lasagna pans on the market today. Feel free to let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this best lasagna pans reviews video helpful in any way, then please do give it a like. And if you'd like to see more from me in the future, you could maybe even consider subscribing as well. Thank you very much for watching.